Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall application in Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my computer with Windows 11, and first of all, if we want to uninstall an application, we can go to our setting. You can go to the start menu first and then select settings. Okay, and you have to go to the app setting right here and choose installed apps. Okay, and choose an application you want to uninstall from your computer or your laptop. And I'm going to uninstall this Discord application. For instance, we can click on the three dots on the application and just select uninstall. Okay, and then you just need to click on uninstall. But I'm not gonna uninstall my Discord. Here I'm just going to show you the basic tutorial on how to uninstall application in Windows 11. Alright guys, and that's all the way to uninstall an application in Windows 11. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.